Hello and welcome bloggers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can take your blogging journey to the next level. We're going to explore the benefits of starting a limited liability company, LLC, and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to establish one. So, let's dive right in and explore the key benefits. As a blogger, you're probably wondering why you should consider starting an LLC. Well, let me share with you some incredible benefits. 1. Enhanced credibility. First and foremost, forming an LLC gives your blog a professional touch. It adds credibility and legitimacy to your brand, making it more appealing to potential readers, advertisers, and collaborators. 2. Personal asset protection. One of the most significant advantages of an LLC is personal asset protection. By forming an LLC, your personal assets, such as your home, car, and savings, are shielded from business liabilities. This separation ensures that your personal life remains secure even if your blog encounters legal or financial issues. 3. Tax advantages. An LLC offers unique tax advantages for bloggers. You can choose how your LLC is taxed, as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even as an S corporation. This flexibility allows you to optimize your tax situation and potentially save money. 4. Privacy and brand protection. With an LLC, you can maintain a level of privacy by keeping your personal and business information separate. Additionally, you can protect your brand's name by registering it as a trademark. This prevents others from using or copying your blog's name or logo. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits, let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC for your blog. Step 1. Research and planning. The first step is to conduct thorough research and planning. Define your blogging goals, niche, target audience, and long-term vision for your blog. It's crucial to ensure that an LLC aligns with your business strategy. Step 2. Choose a name and check availability. Next, choose a unique and memorable name for your LLC. Check its availability by searching the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's database and your state's Secretary of State website. Step 3. Register your LLC. To register your LLC, you'll need to file the necessary paperwork with your state's Secretary of State office. Prepare the articles of organization, including your LLC's name, address, registered agent, and management structure. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. After registering, you'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). This number is essential for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Step 5. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the internal operations, ownership structure, and decision-making processes within your LLC. Step 6. Fulfill state and local requirements. Make sure to fulfill any additional state and local requirements specific to your location. Step 7. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your blog and your location, you may need to obtain specific permits or licenses. Research the requirements in your state or municipality and ensure compliance to operate your blog legally. Step 8. Separate personal and business finances. Maintaining separate finances is crucial for an LLC. Open a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This practice will help you accurately track your business expenses and simplify tax filing. Step 9. Understand and fulfill tax obligations. As an LLC, you must understand your tax obligations. Depending on your chosen tax structure, you may need to file annual reports, pay self-employment taxes, or submit quarterly estimated taxes. Consulting with a tax professional can ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. Step 10. Maintain compliance and corporate formalities. Lastly, maintaining compliance and adhering to corporate formalities are essential. Keep proper records of financial transactions, hold annual meetings, and document major business decisions. By doing so, you demonstrate that your LLC is a separate legal entity and maintain its liability protection. Congratulations! By starting an LLC for your blog, you've taken a significant step towards building a professional and protected business. Let's recap the benefits: enhanced credibility, personal asset protection, tax advantages, privacy, and brand protection. Remember, starting an LLC for your blog may require some initial effort, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the challenges. So, take action, establish your LLC, and unlock the full potential of your blogging journey. Until next time, happy blogging! If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. Now, let's talk about the second option to form an LLC, and that is hiring a professional formation service. Professional formation services do all the steps you should be doing on your own, from filing necessary forms to acting as your registered agent. You usually have to allocate a specific budget for this option. As I already mentioned earlier, InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email, which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.